Good morning. So I'm not even looking in the camera, bitch. I'm tired as fuck. I did not go out last night, and I'm planning on going out today. But it was cold as fuck outside. I was depressed, bitch. My period came on. A lot of shit happened. So if y'all looking right there, I took the batteries out because it was beeping every 5 seconds, and bitch, I'm not on that. So don't even look over there. I am fit to take these down and install this wig. Give me 1 second because I gotta bring the wig in here. Hold on. Okay, first things first. I'm clearly not dressed, as you guys can see with my boobage spilling out. Second thing, I gotta take my hair out. And third thing, I'm gonna show you the box that came in. So it came in this box. It says, enhance your beauty, 100% human hair. And then on the back, it's a bunch of instructions on how to take care of the hair tips to keep it, lively and stuff like that. This is supposed to be 24 inches. This not giving me 24 inches tease, honey. I've had curly hair. This not giving me 24 inches. I'm not getting 24 inches from this. Maybe when I wet it, but right now it's soft per usual. Anytime you get hair, if it ain't soft, bitch, take it back. It's probably synthetic. But all human hair comes very soft. But this not giving me, I don't know, maybe when I wet it, but it's not giving me 24-inch teeth. I'm no girl, y'all know I barely post hair videos, but I do make custom wigs and stuff like that. So, I made like this the wig I made, and I'm just talking to y'all how I would, So, the frontal has pre-separated baby hairs. To me, it doesn't look plucked. To somebody else, they might say this is plucked. It is pretty sparse in the front. I'm not gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you. It looked like they did do a little plucking, but I don't know. This color, this lace is not really, girl. It's not really giving me what I need. And I think they pre-cut the ear tabs. I don't know, or what's going on, girl. I don't know, girl. No, they didn't pre-cut these ear tabs. It's just, I guess, bitch, hanging where you're supposed to cut the ear tabs. And then let me just show y'all. I'm gonna do what everybody else be doing. Let me show you the inside of the wig. Don't be looking at my titties. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of the wig. I've never had a frontal wig at all. Pre-made frontal wig. Every wig that you've seen me wear on any of my videos, that was a custom-made wig I made. It was only one wig I didn't make, but I customized, which was that curly bob, that asymmetrical bob that I used to wear back at Florida Memorial. I no longer have that because I tried to reconstruct it, and bitch, I found out the girl didn't even put all my bundles in there. She put like one fucking weft. So that's why I started making my own shit. Listen, nevertheless, this is how it looks on top. So it's 13 by 4, which, I mean, I didn't want a 13 by 4, but this was the best, cheapest, nicest looking one on Amazon. It's pretty much a lot of, room to play with. To me, this is a lot of room to play with. Because I like to curve my part. I don't like to go straight back. Sometimes I go straight back if it's just like a, I'm trying to look classy. But more than likely, I'm probably going to curve this part. So, this is what she's giving me. I don't know if, I'm supposed to be able to tape this down in the back. But more than likely, I'm just going to use the comb. I don't like taping in the back. Because, girl, it's hair back there. And you never know. Anyways, this is the ends. I'm going to give y'all a close look of how it looks. These curls is cute, girl. I wish my hair was down already. I should have did that. Because... Woo! Tina Turner. Okay, I'll be back in a couple hours, but to you guys, it'll be a couple seconds. I'm finna wet this wig and get her right so she can start drying first and then take my hair out. wanted to pop in because I did say I was going to insert my hair. So I cut it recently, January. So this is where we're at. I don't really feel like it's growing, but next time y'all see me, I'll probably be putting a wig on or something like that. But you gotta say so. Listen, guys, I'm done installing this wig. I'm not dressed. That's why you only get in the robe. Look, I still ain't dressed. It's a new robe. I have so many robes. This is a new robe, but I'm done. This is my first time, so what I did was, you can still see a lot of the lace, but that's why it's on this side. This side, I got really good with it, and you don't see a lot of the lace. This is my first time ever doing a frontal, by the way. If you guys missed that part of the segment, I am going to be putting one of those clips right here because I want this pushed back. But it's a 13x4, like I mentioned previously, so I didn't have a lot of party space to play with. But I think I still look cute, girl. Because I had put the glue down first, and then I had put this on so I don't undercut the lace. And this happened by me doing that. But it's fine. It's fine, girl. We're gonna fix it later on. We gonna rock. Rock your hips and slang. That is. No, just like y'all. So, a bitch is about to be 22. Feeling 22. My birthday is next Wednesday. If you guys want to send me some money, send me some gifts, send me some love. Don't give a fuck. Send something, ho. I would love that. In the meantime, until next time, Jules and Jills. Peace.